Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Indian stock market, where records were shattered and headlines flew thick and fast. Buckle up, it's a wild ride. Boom shakalaka, Sensex and Nifty soared to record highs, fueled by bullish sentiment and global cheers. It's a party on Dalal Street, sectors in spotlight, realty took the crown, shining brighter than diamonds. IT and financials weren't too shabby either, small caps and mid caps pumped. These little guys joined the party, hitting their own record highs. Broad market is happy, investors are ecstatic. IRCTC sell-off, government selling a piece of the IRCTC pie. Time to grab a slice, Tata's iPhone ambitions, a new iPhone factory in India. Get ready for made in India iPhones, SBI buys, Wipro loses, SBI snagged some Compact Trends shares, while Wipro lost its chief growth officer, LIC lightens up, LIC sheds some Hero Motocorp holding. Is it time to follow suit? RBI goes cloud, the central bank's embracing the cloud, bringing the future to finance. That's the Indian stock market in a nutshell for today. Remember, this is just a snapshot. Do your own research before making any investments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more market madness.